Wait, this is not just red nails. Look at how the marble melts into the color. Hi guys, this is BV. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how I created these deep red glass nails with a soft marble effect and gold foil accents. This look is all about layering, blending, and keeping everything glossy and smooth. I already prepped my nails off camera. That includes nail tips, shaping, buffing. Make sure your nails are clean and smooth before applying any product. Starting with a thin layer of base coat. Apply evenly and cap the edges. Cure under the lamp. Now, I'm going in with a deep red gel polish. For this look, I'm building the color using 3 thin layers to get that rich, glossy effect. Starting with the first layer, I'm applying a very thin coat, almost sheer. This first layer acts as a base tint, so don't worry if it looks uneven or light. Just focus on keeping it smooth and streak-free. Cure. Going into the second layer, I'm slightly increasing the color, but still keeping it thin. Make sure to float the brush lightly over the nail to avoid dragging the product. Cure again. For the third layer, now, you'll start to see that depth building. I'm keeping the application even, making sure the edges are clean and capped. If needed, you can slightly concentrate more color towards the center or tip for a subtle gradient effect. Cure. Next, I'm using a layer of blooming gel. This will help create that soft marble effect. Working one nail at a time. Then, going in with white gel polish. Using a long, slim detail brush, I'm lightly drawing soft lines. Let the gel naturally spread for that diffused, marble look. Now I'm adding gold foil accents. Place small pieces gently onto the nail. Keep the placement soft and unstructured. This gives a more natural looks finish. Cure to secure everything. Thinking of doing something else to the middle finger nail, so leave that fingernail for now. Sure. Applying top coat and using only gold foil on the nail. Finish with a glossy top coat. And here's the final look. Deep red glass nails, soft marble details, and gold foil. Elegant, rich, and perfect for a luxury vibe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nail tutorials. See you in the next one.